Hi all. You're going to be doing a topic sentence assignment in English 149 this week. There is a topic sentence quiz in English 1A, and I really want to focus on this because topic sentences and writing them clearly, that's such an important part of writing well. So let's look at these sections of this assignment. Notice that the topic sentence video, which is also included in 1A, is down here as well. And this reviews what a good topic sentence is and shows you examples of weak topic sentences. So to start out, look at number 1. It says to write a topic sentence for the following topic, smoking cigarettes. So you have to remember that a topic sentence is not just a topic, it's a topic plus an idea. So here's an example of a sentence with just the topic, television's effect on children. That's not a clear topic sentence because there's no idea connected to it. We need that idea to have something to discuss and analyze. Here's a correct version of a topic sentence, which includes both a topic and an idea. Television is harmful to children because it teaches them violence as a way of solving problems. So now here we have the topic and the idea, and this gives us something to focus on in that paragraph. Now, one thing also to remember about topic sentences is they should just present one idea. When you write a paragraph, you should only be developing one idea at a time, and so the topic sentence should only introduce one idea at a time. So for this assignment, question 1, you'll be writing a topic sentence about smoking cigarettes. So you want to add an idea to that using one specific point that you would talk about in a paragraph afterward. So that's just a practice in creating that topic sentence that includes an idea and a topic. Next, you're going to be looking at this paragraph and figuring out what the basic premise of the paragraph is, and notice that it's missing its topic sentence. So you're going to write in a topic sentence that you think represents the information in this paragraph. This is something you always want to do with your paragraphs. That first sentence should introduce what that paragraph is going to cover. So write a sentence that fills in that blank. Finally, in the third exercise, you're going to look at these group of sentences. They form a paragraph, but they're not in the proper order. So I would like you to put them in the proper order so that this paragraph makes sense. So again, you can go over this material to help you with this assignment, and this will help you practice that art of writing effective topic sentences. If you have any questions, let me know.